You are talking your way into a weekend at the Score jail.
What are you talking about?
Just be quiet.
I just said so. You understand English?
Be quiet.
You're yelling at me, dude, like I'm a kid. Irritates the hell out of me.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to whoever is listening.
On December 13, 2024, officers responded to an active shoplifting incident at Walmart. When the officer arrives, he meets the suspect in the parking lot. Let's see how it played out.
Check your work.
It's a separate shoplift. I'll be
Nobody
honest.
shoplift. You're wrong, dude. Don't come up saying
Hey,
wrong shit.
don't tell me what to do.
No, but no one's shoplifting.
Nobody shoplifting about anything.
No, I don't care. Don't disrespect
How
me.
much is the microwave?
Listen to your own damn self. Don't listen to
Get
me.
it paid. Here, I paid for my shit.
Listen, go. I'll go. This is ridiculous. Go fix your barcode and check your work.
You code 4 in the second call.
I put a sticker on it.
So far.
I mean, whoever did, the lady was very scared everything
Hang on. Where's the receipt? What are you not understanding about hang on?
buddy?
I said
I
hang
don't know who you're
on.
talking to.
What are you
How the
doing?
fuck I know who you're talking to?
I said
Go
to hang on.
Hang on
Where's
for what? We're
the
trying to
receipt?
pay for it.
Thing.
It was a
I'm going
problem
to pay for it.
we're
You
trying
said
to pay
pay
now.
me.
You can't leave the store and
I'm
not
not
pay for
leaving.
something.
Buddy,
and then
Nobody's
return
pay
it.
for our
Listen, you
shit.
don't know what's going on. You don't even know what's going
Where's my
on. We
shit?
stamped the thing, okay?
What my shit, dude? What is your problem?
Listen, just go to the car for this. Gets way more. Give me the money for the microwave.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Like somebody put a sticker on the
dollar?
thing and did all
What
this shit.
Man, if you rank it up, that's all that happens.
We scanned the thing. The worker scanned the thing. Everybody did whatever. I don't care how much it was.
Whatever it
25
came up
cents.
to, I don't know what
We
it
paid
came
what
up
we
This
to.
is
paid
the
for.
scam. This is
Okay,
not
well,
the scam.
however it goes, when we scanned it, that's what it did. She rung it
Who
up and she
scanned
scanned
this
it
one?
too.
I don't know.
I don't know. She panned it on her phone. Bottom line is, can we get our microwave? Right there.
Okay, man, so move. Here,
$80.
watch out, dude. I'll go pay for it.
And
So
then
you
what is this one?
No, he can't tell me either. I'm gonna go pay for my shit.
What's that?
Fuck the camera. Let me pay for my shit.
So how much did they pay for this?
And we said it rung up as $1, so we owe you $79 more.
$1?
$1. Maybe
That's
she'll
what it
get
said.
you one too.
Where the fuck are we shooting?
The police listened to his side of the story and then arrested them.
Everybody, take off your...
Too much.
I'm not putting up with this.
Too much. What am I
Take off your
doing?
bag.
I'm saying this is too much. It's crazy.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what, sir? My daughter's right. I haven't done nothing
I'm going
wrong.
to ask you one more time.
For what am I getting a handcuffs
You're
for?
getting arrested for
Jimmy,
traffic.
be quiet. Oh, my. Arrested for
Put your
what?
hands behind your back. Okay, another
Jamie,
one.
come. Oh my God.
Another hand.
You have to calm down. You have to calm down.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Could you please rewind the camera, sir?
We will.
Thank you.
If you guys can just stay
I'm
calm,
calm.
relax, don't even say another word, have a seat, I will figure
Can
it
you put
out
him in
for you
handcuffs?
guys.
No, I don't need no
What do you
handcuffs.
need
sir.
Yes,
Let's
you
not
do.
do that. No,
You're
I have
under
a
arrest.
disability.
Go
I
ahead.
have a disability, man. Let's not do this. Okay,
Put your hands up behind your back.
Okay? No more noises.
Let me put my money
Go outside. Your daughter's gonna be fine.
Here, hold on. Can I just do this? You don't have to be like this, sir. You don't. I'm 50-something years old. I'm just saying you don't have to
And I'm
act like this.
63.
I know,
so
so
got
treat me
you
with
drunk.
a little bit of respect,
Yo, you
man.
treat me
Why
with
you
respect.
gritting your teeth and shit, bro?
Because I'm fucking pissed off at you for causing all this crap.
I didn't cause any crap. Don't do that.
Do not
I
turn
have a
on me.
disability, man. I'm not doing anything.
Relax.
You're fucking overdoing everything.
Relax.
Oh, no, you haven't seen nothing yet.
I know, but why are you pushing all this?
Relax.
I didn't do one thing. Nigga. I'm making a decision.
Put it in your...
Here, hold on a second. Don't take my money, please. Let me
Put
get
it back
this.
in your pocket. How
Let
about
me
that?
get this straight, man. Let me
Hey.
hold on to it.
Guess what? You in my house now,
What is why
okay?
you yelling, bro?
Because you ain't listening.
No,
You
you're
in my house now.
disrespected.
You follow my rules. Sit down. Holy crap.
He's saying help me. You hear him, bro. Let's treat me as a man.
You guys want to be disrespectful? You guys can spend the weekend in jail. How's that?
My daughter's out there getting disrespectful.
You are talking your way into a weekend at the Score jail.
What are you talking about?
Just be quiet.
I just said so. You understand English?
Be quiet. Please.
Quit talking to me, please. You're talking to me, okay?
You made something very simple
No,
into a
I said, let me
clusterfuck.
just pay.
Okay?
I said let me pay.
No,
made
you
it
can't
this-
just fucking take something for $1
take it.
and go,
You didn't
oh, I
stick
got
nothing for
caught.
$1.
I'm going to go pay the other 79 bucks. No, that's not how it works.
I'm saying we want to get the focus. Okay? So these pictures are going to go.
I'm cooperating.
I understand. And you are.
You are.
Well, you
I
said
don't know
from
about this guy.
side,
This is guy running his mouth.
All right, guys, give me a second. So these pictures are not going to go anywhere public, anywhere social. It's not going to stay on our work phones. It's just going to go into our system. So for future reference, if we need to identify you, we can do it that way, okay?
Okay, so back to the question. Who has ID? You have ID in your purse. Go ahead and stand up. Don't misunderstand this. You guys are still under arrest for theft. All this was totally unnecessary.
This don't even respond.
The vast majority of people.
Don't respond. 'Cause this
Don't kill me
I'm
with,
just saying,
hey,
just like we just
leave
said
me
what people are
alone. Leave me
doing.
alone then. Don't do that
You
shit
can
to me.
respond if you want, but I'm saying it's totally unnecessary. You can ask him. The vast majority of people in here walk in without handcuffs because they're cooperative. They don't argue. They don't not listen. They just say, all right, I got caught, and we can sit
not
down.
my case, though, buddy.
Let him check you.
Here it is right here.
What is with today? There's something in the water. Everybody, because all 3 times I've come here, people are in handcuffs. And normally I come here and nobody's in handcuffs.
It's
Yeah.
one of those days.
It has?
It's been like that for like the past 2 weeks.
So everybody is clear. Randy, you do have some history of organized retail theft, though.
Yeah,
Saw that.
history.
This is a trespass warning saying that you cannot come back to this particular Walmart for a period of 3 years, correct?
I don't know what he wanted, but I mean,
Well,
I think you're
it's better than the alternative, because the alternative is permanent, I think, right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Sign here. That's just saying I'm giving you a copy. You don't have to sign it if you don't want it.
There's a notice that says that I can't come here for 3 years.
For 3 years. It's
And
standard.
this-
Everybody that comes to this office gets one of these.
So theirs is particular to this Walmart. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, but
The one of ours is for every Walmart. So you guys can still shop at a different Walmart.
Just kind of come
Keep
to
in
this one.
mind,
until we get this court shit handled, because I
Correct.
do
Sure.
want to come back here, because after that,
Definitely.
this shit's null and void.
I understand that. If you decide to break this trespass, you'll probably be facing more charges. If you decide to come back to Walmart and steal as little as a candy
You
bar,
don't steal.
I'm not saying you're stealing, man. I'm just giving you the details. Listen up, please. If you come back to Walmart and if you steal as little as a candy bar, you can be facing felony charges because not only are you trespassed, but you're stealing, and that's considered.
Last week was so easy.
Giving you the details.
Everybody just said acquiesce.
I was in here last
I'm
week.
just letting
Oh,
you know
yeah.
the details of what this means. You understand that?
Today,
So,
everybody's
if
just
you
being.
acknowledge to all of that, you can sign the form.
And because it's the Friday the 13th.
The couple was charged with theft.